Now, welcome my beautiful fans. Let's consider another question again. I said a particle moves in a circular orbit, right? Circular orbit of radius 0.02 meter. Let's try to write it down. Radius 0.02 meter. If the speed of the particle is 0.88 meter per second, that is speed. That's the speed, not angular speed, okay? Is equals to what now? 0.88 meter per second. We have to calculate its frequency in circular what per sec, okay, that frequency. So now what we have here now is that we are not given the angular speed, right? Yeah, I want you guys to know that it's from the angular speed we can get what the frequency, right? Most we are not given period. That I think that we are given period, and we can easily get what the frequency. So let's try to solve it now. So from our formula for angular velocity, which is now we have formula for speed. What's our formula for what? So let's say that formula of what? R omega, right? The formula for what? For speed, okay? Or for velocity. So now we are given the velocity, we are given the speed, I'm also giving what? The radius. I need to get what this angular velocity, because you know this one that has what? That has frequency inside of it. Okay, so let's try to substitute the value now. So we're going to add V is what? We have 0.88 equals to R is what? 0.02, and we have what? The omega beside it. So let's equate it now. 0.02, 0.02. This cancels out, right? Now when we divide 0.88 divided by 0.0, so let's see what we're going to have. So we have 0.88 divided by 0.02, which will give us what now? 44. So we have the angular velocity, the angular as what? As 44 what? Rad per sec, right? Good. Now, after you've got this now, then we cannot get what the frequency, because this angular velocity that you're seeing in this place, so it has formula, it has frequency inside of it, which is 2 pi f, right? And how do we got this 2 pi f? It's actually very, very easy. Initially, we said that this omega formula is what? Is theta over what? Over period, right? Which theta means 2 pi. Then over, why the period means what? Period is what? Formula for period is what? Is 1 over what? Over frequency. Mathematically now, when we have 2 pi, this all over means divided by, and we have what? 1 over frequency. And when you flip it, this one, when you flip it now, so it give us what? It give us 2 pi what? F. You can see that now. Good. So that's why we're going to formula to what? To get our what? Our frequency. So we now have the omega equals to, let's go. So we have 2 pi. We are giving omega as, I'm sorry, we already saw for our omega, which is 44, and what we have in this place. So we have 44 equals to, we have 2 pi what? F, right? I want to get this F, so you have to remove this 2 pi over 2 pi over 2 pi. So let's cancel out this now. So frequency equals to 44. When you divide it now, 44 over 2 pi, right? Now let's this calculate what to get it now. So 2 can divide this one, I'll give us 22, right? So we have 22 over what? Over pi. That'll give us 22 divided by pi means 3.142, right? So we don't need, can you see a calculator for it? So I'm going to get that. So let's divide it now. 22 divided by 3.142. That will give us 7. So I'm going to have the frequency equals to what? 7. That what? 7 what? We are asked to put it in what place? Frequency in the cycle per second. So that what? Frequency equals to 7 seconds per. So I'll find it very interesting. So that's the final answer for the question. So if like this is the first time that you are seeing my video, don't forget to like the video, share and comment. And if you want me to do more video on this topic, kindly put it in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Thank you.